Hey guys!
Hey!
Welcome back to another video. In this week's one, we are going to be talking about sort of food plans that we've got on our trip this year. That's anything, anywhere across Florida. So yeah, let's go! So as we said, this video is all about dining reservations we've made. Not those that are quick service, because we've already done a previous video on that. So if you want to check that out, that's that way. But it's going to be videos on the places we've actually reserved in Disney, the ones off of Disney we're going to go to, and sort of the reasons around why we're going to them. Some of them we've never tried, some of them we're really excited for. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So the first one we're going to go to and we're going to talk about is Be Our Guest. For those of you that don't know, Be Our Guest is located in the Magic Kingdom in Fantasyland, and it is the Beauty and the Beast restaurant at the back. It's amazing. You have to walk across a big bridge to get into it. One of the main reasons we're going to it is we tried it previously and the theming is just wow. Yeah, the theming is insane.
Yeah, we've been once and we went for dinner. This year we've actually booked 2 reservations to Be Our Guest. They are quick service, so it's going to count as one of our quick service credits, so we technically don't have to pay for it. We've already paid for it. And we're going once for breakfast, actually on our first day in Disney, and we're going once a little bit later on in the holiday for lunch, so then we would have tried breakfast, lunch and dinner.
Yeah, the breakfast reservation is actually a little bit later, so it's sort of closer to 10, which means we can actually do a little bit in the park, like an hour or so looking around, maybe ride a ride or see before we go for breakfast, so that we don't just rush in, have to go past everything, because you can't do that on your first day.
So the next, well, this is the only other Disney reservation we've made. We've really kind of held back on the reservations this year, mainly because we're not going for as long. We're going with people that have never been before, and we just want to make the most of spending the time in the parks. So the other reservation we've got is a character dining, and this is for Garden Grill at Epcot. So again, we're going for breakfast, and you get to meet Mickey, Pluto, Chip and Dale in the Garden Grill restaurant, which is right next to Soarin' in the Land.
Yeah, so the actual restaurant itself is on like a carousel, so same as really Carousel slow. Of Progress. But yeah, I mean, so slow, and it spins really slowly, and you sit down, they bring your food to you and stuff, obviously because it's a sit down character dine. But as you go around, you actually get to see the back of Living with the Land,
that ride.
And you get to come back round, and it's pretty awesome. And obviously, as you said about Mickey and that company, and they're wearing their farmer's outfit,
yeah.
So they got like the big hats on with the straw, and they got like their dungarees, dunga-jungas. And yeah, so I'm super excited for that because we've only done one character breakfast before, and this one should be awesome.
This one's slightly different. This isn't one where you go up and help yourself. It's a family style buffet. So what that means is they bring the food to the table, they bring you a selection of everything, and then if you want anything else, you just ask and they get it. And I know from videos I've seen, they have like cinnamon buns, fresh fruit, and then just like Mickey waffles, bacon, yes. Potato barrels, everything. And we're just really excited. We've got a super early reservation for like, I think it's like 8:05 or something. So the plan is to do that and get straight on Soarin' before the queues get big. Yeah. So yeah, super excited for Garden Grill.
So the next one is another reservation in Disney, and this one's in Epcot. So this one's not actually a full meal. We're not actually going to sit down and eat like burgers and pizzas and whatever. This time it's like, we've previously done a dessert party, which was the Wishes dessert party, which no longer exists. But this one's going to be awesome because this one's at Epcot, and this is the Frozen Forever...
Frozen Ever After.
Frozen Ever After party, not Frozen Forever, Frozen Ever After party. So you go down and you get a specific seating area looking out across the lake, and for the fireworks show, and Reflections of Earth, isn't it? Oh, Reflections of Earth, so the Illumination Reflection of Earth. Yeah, and it's all dessert stuff, so it's all like pastries and chocolates and sweets and, you know, like different stuff like that.
Cheese fondue with like bread and vegetables. They have like frozen nitro popcorn.
Yeah, they got like nitrous oxide. Well, it's not nitrous oxide. It's like frozen nitrogen, not nitrous oxide. That'd kill you. Nitrogen popcorn. So like when you eat it, you can breathe out like smoke, like the nitrogen. It's gonna be awesome. I'm super excited for that. And then one of the best bits about it is once you've eaten all the sweets you can eat and you've watched the fireworks, when everyone else is leaving the park, you get escorted to the Frozen ride in Norway. Yeah, in Norway, and you get to then go on the Frozen ride because there'll be no one in the queue because the queues are empty because everyone's leaving. You get to ride the Frozen ride and then you leave the park. So not only are we eating all the best Frozen themed dessert stuff and seeing the fireworks from a special seating area, we don't have to fight for a good space, and we then get to go across the park at night time with no one around and ride the Frozen ride. When we leave, that's going to be the perfect opportunity to get pictures of Epcot at dark. So I'm super excited for that as well.
We'll be filming everything in the vlogs, so if you want to see what it's like, check out our vlogs in a few weeks' time and you will see everything that we ate.
Well, this one you won't see for a little while.
Yeah, well no, this isn't too much. This is quite early on in the holiday.
Is it? I thought it was...
Yeah, I think it's like the 4th day.
Okay, so yeah, baby.
So you won't be waiting too long. You'll see it in 2018, I'm sure.
Yeah.
So yeah, check out the channel, keep your eyes peeled. We'll be filming everything. So another place we want to go to, this one isn't a Disney like reservation, is the Cheesecake Factory. So when we're away, we're going actually with my mum and my sister, and on one of the days it's my mum's birthday actually whilst we're away, so in the evening she's a big fan of cheesecake. She's never been to the Cheesecake Factory before, so we are taking them there and we are so excited.
We've never actually eaten a meal at the Cheesecake Factory.
No, we've had cheesecake but not actual meals.
But not meals. And I don't know if that's going to change this time either. I
mean,
mean,
we might just go in and sit and eat a few different
and just eat a ton of cheesecake, although I really want their sliders.
Yeah.
If you've never been to Cheesecake Factory, it's pretty much does everything you could think of. Their menu is literally like a book. Yeah, it's huge. There's so much stuff on there. It's just amazing. The place is really nicely themed, and their cheesecakes are just incredible. Like, out of this world incredible. One of the best cheesecakes I've ever tried, by far.
I think what will probably happen is the day that we go to the Cheesecake Factory, we're also at Discovery Cove, and if any of you have been to Discovery Cove, you just know how much you eat that day because it's like unlimited food all day. Yeah. So the chances are after a day at Discovery Cove in the evening, we might just get like appetizers and cheesecake rather than getting a full meal. Yeah,
maybe some nachos or something.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Maybe some sliders.
Oh yeah.
Maybe a whole pizza.
Okay, let's stop it there. But yeah, we're heading to the Cheesecake Factory to have all the cheesecakes and we can't wait.
So the next reservation we're going to have, or go to, is one of my favourite places to eat in the whole of America, not just Florida. So any time I've ever been anywhere else in America, I always have to go, and that is IHOP. International House of Pancakes.
Yeah.
So anyone that hasn't been to IHOP before, it's literally, they literally just do pancakes and waffles and stuff like that, okay? It's like breakfast stuff basically, but
they do have stuff. They do burgers and stuff.
I know they do, but like I feel like going to IHOP and not ordering the pancakes or waffles or one of the breakfast items like eggs or whatever is a bit, it's rude if I'm honest. Don't do it. Just don't do it, please. But yeah, so when we go, you go in, you sit down, it's like a normal restaurant, they come take your order, but it's I always get the chicken and waffles with a side of pancakes. I think
we talk about this a lot because you know we're very food orientated and we love IHOP. So we've decided this year Jez is gonna go. Yeah, this is the plan. Jez is gonna get like chicken and waffles. I'm gonna get what I always get, which is the pancake combo. So you get like a mini kind of American fry up with pancakes on the side. So I think I'm gonna get the white chocolate chip pancakes, and then as a share, so in between, we're gonna get just like a stack of normal pancakes.
And you can order 2 pancakes, because you can order sets of 2, and I'm gonna get the red velvet ones.
I just want to get plain, because that blueberry syrup they have
they do this blueberry syrup and it's
ever.
Amazing. The blueberry syrup is actually amazing.
Yeah.
Like I can drink it, it's
I'm gonna actually ask them if we can buy some.
They'll say no.
Why?
But they'll say no, because it's you can't buy it in the shops either.
I guess you can't go into McDonald's and ask for Big Mac sauce, can you? Like a jar of Big Mac sauce.
No, you can't. I mean, technically, if you took a bottle, it is on the table, we could just fill a bottle.
No, we won't do that.
We might. But yeah, so IHOP is incredible. We go to the one on the International Drive opposite the McDonald's, the big McDonald's. It's absolutely amazing. Honestly, IHOP is one of my most favourite places, and a lot of Americans are probably thinking, why is IHOP your favourite? We just don't have anything similar here. I mean, we do, but not to the same standard. I mean, you can't really just go out and buy chicken and waffles here. And the blueberry sauce, you just can't buy here, ever. So yeah, IHOP, I'm coming for you.
So this isn't really a reservation as such, but it's linked to food and it's something that we've planned, so we're going to mention it. Whilst we're over there, I'm just getting really excited, I'm not going to say it. Whilst we're over there, I'm too excited. We're so close to going whilst we're filming this. We're going to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, which I'm so excited to go to. My eyes are actually welling up a little bit. I'm that excited. Whew.
She's actually welling up. I can genuinely look. Go show them your eyes. Show them your eyes. Look.
Oh,
you can't. No. She's actually nearly crying.
You can't see them, but whatever. But yeah, we're going to the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, and most of the things we eat that night are just American candy because you go trick-or-treating. And another thing that I really want to try this year is the Disney Halloween snacks they bring in. Last year we spent so long queuing for one photo opportunity that I didn't...
Let's not talk about it.
Sorry. I didn't get to actually try the snacks as much. I know they've got like a Jack Skellington push pop cake, and they've got like Haunted Mansion gravestones that are like crumbled chocolate, and I just want to try everything. So that is my mission this year, to try some of the Halloween Disney snacks at the party.
It should be said that the actual event is sponsored by M&M, so
I don't know if it is this year.
Not the rapper, the M&M chocolate company. They basically sponsored the event. They did last year and they did the year before, and I'm sure they'll sponsor it again this year. They have for years. So a lot of the chocolates that they give out are sort of linked with them, which is pretty cool because we got to try some M&Ms that were like spooky. So the final one isn't a reservation, but it's something that we're going to because you don't need to reserve it, and that is Epcot's Food and Wine Festival. So as you guys know, anyone that's watched at least one of our videos will know that we constantly eat or talk about eating or plan eating, or just, you know, something to do with food or drink. But basically Food and Wine, as we've mentioned before, is just a huge event at Epcot where you go in and there's loads of different stalls of different countries and you try their food, and it's really, really authentic. So like they'll even ship in the specific water that they use to make the bases for the pizzas in Italy, stuff like that. So it really is the most authentic you can get. The chefs that are making it from that country, the people serving you are from that country. Shy of actually going to Italy, you probably won't get a more authentic pizza. So that's something that's really cool. And this year we're obviously doing it, and with the snack credits we get a lot of it for free, which is awesome. And I'm so excited to be trying some of that cheddar cheese soup again.
Yeah, I just can't wait.
Canada. Yeah,
they've just recently, for us, they've just released the menu for this year as well, because it doesn't start until like the last day of August. So we will be trying all the things we tried last year that we loved, and new things, which I'm really excited for.
So yeah, that's it for another video.
Yeah, that's all our Florida food plans. As we said, we're there now. Check out our Instagram. We've probably taken some pictures of some of this food.
I'm probably eating IHOP right now. Like,
I hope so. Yeah, we're super excited. We hope you guys are too, to see the vlogs that are coming.
If you want to see more pictures of the food we eat, because if I'm honest, I just don't upload the pictures of the food, so I don't think people would like it as much as I do.
I think they would.
So maybe we'll start uploading the pictures of the meals we eat, or at least sharing them on the story. So go check that out, because I can guarantee you right now there'll be a picture of some chicken and waffles.
And check out for next week's video, which is going to be our Florida haul, which I am so excited about. So check us out next Wednesday, guys. We will see you then.
Bye. See you next video.